Yo, what's up, chat? So, I've got some bad news. I was working on Hell City episode 2, and the world has corrupted. My iCloud storage ran out, so that does mean the world is gone, episode 2 is gone, everything I worked hard on is gone. So, I have one of two choices. I'd rather restart it, or do something else. And I think I'm going to go with option 2, because I can't be bothered to restart it. And, yeah. So it really depends what you guys want, though. So if you want me to restart it, then just comment 1 if you want me to restart it, and if you want me to do something else on Minecraft, comment 2. I'm going to work on the issue. For now, I might not post again today. I'll try to get a Roblox video, I guess. Anyways, that's it for today, I guess. Alright, see ya.